In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Facebook Ads Manager. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Facebook Ads Manager is a vital tool for advertising on one of the world's largest social platforms. It offers an array of features to design, manage, and analyze your advertising campaigns. Navigating through its interfaces might seem daunting at first, but fear not. I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you're equipped to take full advantage of what Facebook Ads can offer you and your business. Let's begin by accessing the Facebook Business Manager. This is your mission control for everything advertisement related on Facebook. It's where you can manage your ad accounts, pages, and the people who work on them, all in one place. To get started, you'll need to have a Facebook account. Once you're logged into your account, search for Facebook Business Manager in your browser. This will take you to the right place to start your journey in ad management. Once you've arrived at the Facebook Business Manager page, you'll see a button labeled Login with Facebook. Click on this. This step might seem obvious, but it's crucial as it links your personal Facebook account with the Business Manager, granting you access to manage ads. Ensure your browser allows pop-ups from Facebook for this process, as it may open a new window or tab to proceed. Following the login, you'll be prompted to choose the account you wish to use. This could be your personal account or a business account if you manage multiple profiles. Select the appropriate account to move forward. This decision is important because it determines which business assets, such as pages and ad accounts, you'll have access to within the Business Manager. Opt for the one most relevant to the advertisements you plan to manage or view. Once you've selected the relevant account, direct your attention to the lower left panel of your screen. Here you'll find a panel or list of options. Look for and click on the option labelled Ads. This action navigates you closer to the heart of ad management within the Facebook universe. It's like opening a door to a vast array of tools and settings designed to optimize your ad campaigns. Following this, you'll encounter the final step. Clicking on Ads Manager. This is it, the gateway to crafting, managing, and analyzing your Facebook advertisements. The Ads Manager is a powerful platform offering comprehensive tools to create ads, set budgets, target your audience, and track the performance of your advertising campaigns. Everything you need is organized in tabs and columns, with a plethora of features and options that cater to your marketing needs. Now, you've successfully accessed the Facebook Ads Manager, but this is only the beginning of your advertising journey. From here, you'll want to explore the interface, familiarize yourself with its many functionalities, and perhaps run a few test campaigns to get the hang of things. Remember, effective advertising is not just about creating ads, but also about understanding your audience, analyzing results, and using those insights to refine and improve your approach. The Facebook Ads Manager is your tool to do all of that and more. Before we wrap up, here's a final tip. Take advantage of the extensive resources and guides available on Facebook's help centers. They're filled with valuable information and can be extremely helpful as you start to navigate through the complexities of digital advertising. This marks the end of our tutorial on how to access Facebook Ads Manager. Whether your goal is to boost sales, grow your audience, or increase brand awareness, these steps are your starting line in the race to achieve your marketing objectives. Don't hesitate to revisit this guide if you need a refresher, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials designed to help you make the most out of your digital marketing efforts. Happy advertising!